If you're looking for a way to grow on the professional social network, take note of this. Carousels are key. This type of content generates up to 5 times more clicks than any other, meaning that these type of posts have the highest engagement rates. And the reason? You can create more complete value with this content, which encourages participation and grabs users' attention. So ultimately, your brand will resonate more with your audience. In this video, I will explain how to create LinkedIn carousels step by step, how to publish them, and how to schedule them on the network so you can easily add it to your strategy. And I will even leave some tricks that I'm sure you'll love. Hello Metricooler, my name is Aniston and I am back to discuss what is going on in the social media world. Let's cut to the chase. You've already seen that LinkedIn carousels are the star format of the network, but it's not as easy as uploading a series of images like you can with Instagram. So then how the do you make them? I'll save you the headache. To add a carousel to LinkedIn, you need to upload it in PDF format. So not JPEG or PNG. No, it has to be PDF. To create a PDF, you have a few options. If you use tools like Canva, you can export it in this format, or you can use an external converter to change it to PDF. And how many images can this carousel have? You can add up to as many as you want. I recommend about 5 to 6 so that it doesn't get too overwhelming to scroll through. But of course, if you need more, you can always add more. And important to note, the PDF document has to have all of the images included because LinkedIn creates a carousel image for each image in the document. When you have your PDF ready, go to LinkedIn and select the Create New Post by clicking on the document icon that looks like this. Now, upload the file that you want to share as a carousel. You can do this from your computer, from Google Drive, or from Dropbox. Simply create a title for the document, add the copy, and that's it. You can choose to publish it immediately or schedule it for a later time. And another way to publish and schedule your LinkedIn carousels is using Metricool. But what's the difference between scheduling in LinkedIn versus Metricool? Well, from Metricool, you can manage all of your social networks in one place, which saves you time so you can devote that to other tasks, such as researching new content ideas. This is just one of the many advantages, but I will make sure to leave a link in the description that explains all of Metricool's features. And not only that, but if you remember, I have a trick that I think that you'll love. And that is within Metricool, you can convert your JPEG or PNG images into PDF format in just one click. So for example, if you want to post the same carousel to both Instagram and LinkedIn, you don't need to create 2 different documents. You can actually do it in one, but I'm going to shut up and stop talking and just show you. The process to create and schedule LinkedIn carousels from Metricool is super easy. Before you start, make sure you have an account. You can create your free account in Metricool and click the link in the description to create your account. Okay, now once you're inside Metricool, go to the planning section that you'll see at the top, and here you'll see a calendar with an overview of any other scheduled content that you have. Click on the Create New Post, which opens up the actual planner. Here, you're going to highlight any social networks that you want to post to. So obviously LinkedIn, and if you want to post to Instagram, etc., then highlight any icons that you want to. To upload your carousel, you have 2 options. Option number 1 is as you would do in LinkedIn, you can upload the PDF and schedule it to the network. The second option is to upload several images into Metricool by clicking on the upload image icon and then activating the image carousel tab. This allows Metricool to convert those images automatically without you needing to do anything manually. Just make sure that all of the images are in the same size so that it can convert easily. Now, once that's done, you can create a title, add the caption, and then choose the time and day that you want this to be posted. And if you want to post the carousel to multiple networks, you can do so by clicking into each network and adapting it. But don't worry, because Metricool will notify you on anything that you need to fix before you upload it. And once you have everything ready, click save and voila, you will see your scheduled posts inside the calendar, which if you need to move around, you can drag and drop at any point, or you can also click in to the post and edit it there. Now you know how to create carousels on LinkedIn, plus how to schedule them from Metricool without needing to convert any images. So there are truly no excuses for exceeding in carousels on LinkedIn. And if you want a full tutorial on how to get the most out of LinkedIn with Metricool, make sure to watch this video to learn how to boost your LinkedIn strategy. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you next video, Metricooler!